Uno Junior, Level 1. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to get rid of all the cards in your hand. Setup. Remove all the action cards and return them to the box. They will not be used. Shuffle the remaining deck and deal 5 cards to each player. Players keep their cards face up in front of themselves. Put the deck face down in the center of the table as a draw deck. Flip over the top card to start the discard pile. The youngest player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, match 1 card from in front of you to the discard pile by color or animal. Then place that card on top of the discard pile. If a player doesn't have a match, they must draw 1 card from the draw deck. If that card can be played, they may play it. Otherwise, their turn ends and the player to their left goes. If the draw deck runs out of cards, shuffle the discard pile into a new draw deck and continue playing. The first player to get rid of all the cards in their hand wins.